here from Rensselaer, New York, and the snow's coming down pretty hard, and we have at least 1 foot of snow. And we have very poor visibility. I can barely see the house. That's almost about, I'm going to say, 100 feet from me. And there's more stuff falling off of the roof. What the heck? If you have pets and have to go outside, just make sure to shovel them a walkway because the snow's pretty cold and, well, they'll have very, very cold paws. If you want to go sledding, I would say the snow's okay for it. But if you have a pet, if you have something in your way when you're sledding, make sure to not use that path. Make a different path. If you're going very fast and there's something in your path and it wasn't in it. Well, if you're going very fast before you're going back.
Get out of the window. Can't hear you.
Sorry, we're having technical difficulties. Don't have to redo it. The snow's coming down pretty hard now. We're not even at the worst of the storm. And Broadway in Rensselaer is like a white snow tunnel. As I said, a white tunnel. It's very hard. And we're at least getting 2 to 4 inches an hour. Please make sure if you have to go, if you really don't have to go somewhere, just stay in your house. Because the city workers cannot keep up with the snow because there's so much coming down at once. We are getting at least 14 to 24 inches. That's at least 1 to 2 feet. In other places, down south of me, up in the Catskills, they are getting 2 to 3 feet of snow. That's how much Winter Storm Stella is producing. What was I about to say? If you are going to go sledding, if you're going very fast, make sure there's nothing in your way, because if there is, you can get seriously injured, and, well, no one wants that to happen. And no one wants to go to the hospital on a day like this where all the roads are just full of snow and everything. And full of snow. I know it's falling off my roof now with icicles. Well, if you have elderly neighbors, make sure to check on them because they might not have anybody in their house. Make sure every once in a while, every couple of hours, just walk down the block and knock on the door, ask them if they're all right. And if you are shoveling, make sure to take breaks because, well, in this stuff, it's pretty cold outside. And you might want to shovel your elderly neighbor's pathway. If you just have to shovel yours and you have a very long driveway, but like at my house, my brother can shovel all the way down and the other side of the street, and maybe perfectly fine for you. One house on the other side of the street. And he can shovel from all the way down where the row houses start, and from all the way where they end, and to my house, and then to my garage, and then he can be done, and he'll still be able to do anything else. Now the snow's really picking up. It's really windy, and we have very poor visibility. I think a very strong part of the storm is about to come through Rensselaer because the winds are really starting to pick up, and we really don't have a lot of snowfalls in the city of Rensselaer. Well, all schools are closed in the capital region, and well, if you go to Rensselaer City School, we will have no morning concerts for the spring concert tomorrow we will have night concert, and on Thursday we'll have the 2 morning concerts. Hey, this is Future Caroline Village signing off. Video?
Wait.